everyone, welcome to Fameword Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and this is the channel on which you are watching this video right now. So Fameword Educational Hub is a channel where you are going to get numerous amount of courses on different programming languages and different stuff which you will be having in your BTech, MCA, PCA. So different computer science related courses are available here. Right now we are working on the Python programming series, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about the operator overloading. Like, you must have watched the video on operator overloading. So I have already uploaded one video on operator overloading, and I have promised you all that I will be creating one more video in which I will be discussing about the magic methods. So this was the magic method which we have seen in the video in which I have discussed about the polymorphism. So there we discussed about operator overloading also. I hope you have watched that particular video. If you have not watched it, you can just refer the playlist section and you will be getting it. I will also be giving the link of the playlist in the description, so it would be easier for you to go there. So now again, talking about the operator overloading, like we have discussed that whenever we are using any operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division, so basically every operator is inbuilt and we are actually overloading it. So I just gave this example there in the previous video, and I just told you that here when we are making this a plus b, so this plus is the operator and a and b are the operands on which the operation is basically getting done. And here we were like, if we are using this, so actually what we are doing, we are using the inbuilt add magic method. So this add magic method we were using actually, yeah. So if I will be running this one, so you will be getting same output for both of the statements. So this was the thing which we have seen in the previous video, but yes, what is this? This is a magic method and it is inbuilt method. These are called as magic methods. So now today I am going to give some good example of this magic method. So why and when in any other case whenever you are able to use it. So let's see. Here I am taking our init, and let's take a scenario. Here I am taking m1 m2, so in the student class. So let's initialize it as we are using the constructor. So we are initializing the user defined variables. And now here, like let's say, suppose I am having some objects of this student class. Suppose this is the object, and here I am passing two numbers as it is having two different parameters, m1 and m2 are two numbers of the student. Now let's say we are also having one other student marks here, and let's say this is S2. So what we have done, we have created two objects of this student class. The student class it was having one parameterized constructor which was having two parameters, and for them we have just passed the two numbers. Along with I have created two different objects. That means there are two students. Okay. Now after this, what we can do, let's say S3 equals to S1 plus S2, and let's print S3, or let's print F3 dot M1. So what should be done here? Like what will be the output? What will be printing on the output screen? So I want you all to comment your answer in the comment section. Pause the video, comment your answer. Like, what do you think? What will be the output of this particular statement when we will be running this program? So pause the video, answer the in the comment section, and then see what is coming. So I hope you have commented your answer in the comment section, and now I am running this program. Oh, what is coming here? You can see it's unsupported operand types for plus, student and student. So what basically we are trying to do here, actually we are trying to add two objects. These S1 and S2 are not the normal variables, these are the objects of this student class. So when we are creating the object of the student class, it's not possible to directly add two objects. So how can we make it possible? Now, here comes the magic method in the picture. So now we can just use these magic methods to work on the objects also. Let's say here I am having self.m1 plus self.m2, or actually we are having other here, other.m2. Oh sorry, m2 it is. And then actually we have to take m1. Yeah, m2 equals to self.m2 plus other.m2. So basically self.m1 plus other.m1 means that we are adding these 2 marks, and then self.m2 plus other.m2 means that we are adding these 2 marks. Okay, so this self is basically referred for the first value and this other is for the another value. Now we can just make it s3 equals to student, and here I am taking m1 comma m2 and then return s3. Okay, now let's try what's happening here. So here we go. You can see that now this time we are getting the correct answer as we were taking it for m1. So let's take it for m2 also. And then we will be getting the proper addition. Simple. So what you understand, what you have understood with the help of this program, that if we are having some scenario when we have to add the objects or we have to make any operations on the objects of any particular class, so we are having this magic method phenomena with the help of which we can make it possible that we can make the operations directly on the objects of the classes. It's not everything which we have discussed here. Now I'm just creating one more file here, pro77. Stay tuned till the end. We are having a lot of stuff to be discussed in this video. So suppose I'm just taking this class and I've just created it. So actually there is not a single this magic method only. So there are multiple. I am just telling you. I'm not creating any program here. I am just telling you that what are the different magic methods and which you can work on. So there are not only one, there are many, and I will be telling some more programs here, and I will be explaining that what does they mean. So few I have shown you here, like these are also not all, because if you will be just pressing control and you can press enter or you can just press click. So control click, so you will be moving towards the built-in files. So there is the file built-in file. So that file you will be seeing that there are multiple methods, not only this much. So multiple magic methods are there. Now here you can see like these are all which we have seen here, and it is actually going to be one assignment for you. So you have to like one I have told you right now, and these 4 are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can see, so you can just try them in your system. Just try these programs in your system as an assignment from my side, and you can just post it in the comment section when you are solving it. You can also post your screenshot on the story of Insta, and you can tag me. So you can tag FameWord Educational Hub there on Insta also. So these are the 4 very basic operations. Like if you are not getting any other scenario, so you can just use this student class scenario, same scenario, just change the symbol, but try them by yourself. Another thing, there are some less than, equal to. This is less than, equal to, greater than and greater than, equal to. So now these are 4 different things. So now let's check any one of them. So one I will be telling, and all the rest of all you will be doing by yourself. So it's your assignment from my side. So let's create this program. This time I'm going for some different scenario. So let's say m1 and m2 I have taken. So self dot m1 equals to m1 and self dot m2 equals to m2. So we have just initialized it. Now in any case, suppose we are having S1 equals to student, and this time I've taken some marks of student 1, and let's create one more student, and this time I'm taking marks of student 2. Now if I want to check that who is getting more marks, so how we will be checking, like we can compare it. Here I'm writing S1 wins, let's say S1 wins, else print S2 wins. So like this way we can check it, but as you know, these are the objects which we are comparing, so this will be not working. So this greater than is not supported between instances, that is objects of student and student class. So now this time again we need to use the magic method. Let's do that. So as I have used the greater than symbol, so here I am going to use this greater than magic method, and here I am taking, let's say, r1 equals to self.m1 plus self.m2. Okay, then I am taking r2 equals to other.m1 plus other.m2. So this we have taken, and here I am just comparing r1 with r2, and then we will be returning true, else return false. Okay, so here we go. You can see with the greater than symbol, when we are using greater than symbol, so we are overloading actually this particular method. This is the magic method which we are overloading here, and now we have seen a program for that also. Let's run it and check that who wins. So S2 wins for now, because the values of S2 is greater than S1, but let's change this and check that what's going to happen now. And this time S1 wins. So our program is working quite properly, and you can see it's really simple to use the magic methods. Now as we have discussed two different programs, for one for the addition and another for the greater than, like relational operators. So these 8 programs which I have given, like these 8 magic methods I have given you, that is your assignment. You have to do that, and if you are watching this video, do these things with me and also try whatever I am giving in the assignment. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new on FameWord Educational Hub, and also press this all notification bell. Otherwise you will not be getting the notifications of my latest uploads. Many videos are going to come very soon in this series, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share the video with your friends.